idea, also change weight in the same place. Put your weight on one foot, tap the other, put your weight on the other foot. I am placing my weight on my left, I tap with my right. I place my weight on my right, tap with my left. And so, on my right, tap with my right, on my left, on my right, tap with my left. Sa, change weight. Sometimes, when we change weight, we can do a little displacement and collect. We can do a little displacement and collect when we change weight. Sometimes, we do it on the same spot. Sometimes we can do a little displacement. That is many times circular. Could be like this, changing weight. It could be like this, changing weight. Or like this. The two ways to make a circle. Circle closing in front of me, or circle opening in front of me. And I am not displacing very much, a little bit. Again, in the same spot, change weight to your right, tap with your left, change weight to your left, tap with your right. Sometimes, this is something we do to, for example, the leader, change weight to change the follower's weight. Sometimes we change weight without making the follower change weight. Sometimes we change weight also making the follower change weight.